In this video, I'll show you how to customize the control center on iOS 18. So as you might have seen, if you upgrade to iOS 18, the control has changed quite a bit, especially the UI here. When you pull it down, it's going to look something like this. Now what you can do is you can add and remove and really customize it now. Than in the previous version. So in order to customize it, all you're going to do is you'll see here there's two different options for it, for your cellular and then music and then your favorites. In order to go ahead and add a control, you can click on that plus icon. So let's pull down plus icon. And as you can see here from there on, we can remove a control if we don't want it by clicking on that, basically a minus sign. And then if you want to add a control, you can go ahead and click on it. And then you go search for controls or look around here. All the controls that are available, you can see here, they're organized in different categories. You have capture, clock, connectivity, anything around your display, brightness, focus. So whatever you like in terms of whatever you want the control to have, such as even remote control, shortcuts, sounds, translate, any of the utilities as well. Voice memo, wallet, Apple Watch for you, that accessibility features. Here accessibility features, motor accessibility features, and vision accessibility feature. So let's go ahead and add one. Maybe I want to have the voice recorder on so I can click on that. It'll go ahead and add it. I can also move things around, just like that, if I wanted. In a specific area, I can do that. And then I can also move these big ones as well in the past. You weren't able to move the big ones. You can do that. You can bring things around. It'll automatically shift according to wherever you move it and how much space it will require. Requires. If you want to add different ones, as you can see, you're going to add more, and you just keep on doing that. And you can see here, we can go ahead and add another one. So let's go ahead. You can also add things like your hotspot options here, move it around, change it up. As you can see, all the customization is available, which is quite unique here. And once you're done and you're satisfied, simply tap anywhere else. It'll be saved, and if I close on it, close out of it, swipe up, and let's go pull down. As you can see here, I have customized it as well. Now, if you ever need to reset it, coming on iOS 18.1, it's going to be a reset option in the settings, and you can see Control Center. As you can see, there's no option right now in iOS 18.1, which is going to come sometime. We'll have a reset option, which it'll reset back to how it was originally, but at this time, you can't reset it. But that's how you can customize the Control Center on iOS 18. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.